Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. This is Pune Bangalore highway. I'm coming from Gokak Fall here, and this is the main highway. From here, I'm going home now with my small bike. I bought my small bike here just to test my bike. I'll show you. Yeah. So guys, this is my small bike TVS XL100. So I just wanted to test the bike, that's why I bought this bike for a long ride. This is first long ride of this bike out of Goa. From this morning, bike has ridden 260 kilometers from my home, and this is fuel or warning light. So after 260 kilometers, this light pop-ups here. Then I'll tell you what, I have 2 bottles of petrol in my bag. I will refill this petrol for my safety. I made little bit shopping there also. So I'm leaving home now. It's almost 160 kilometers away from here, maybe my home. So I'll put this petrol, then one more bottle I have that I will fill after this lights comes up again. Then I will fill that bottle also. Let's see how much petrol will be used in my this ride. So okay, this bike runs only at the speed of 45. It's a normal speed. If you push hard, it makes too much noise. So I'm only riding at this 45 speed. So I just wanted to know what is the capacity of this bike. That's why I wanted to see this. So I bought that bike because this bike will go on a big mission in future. So okay guys, let's go then. Okay guys, I have crossed the Belgaum city now, and this has broken, this windshield here, so I'll have to remove it. Okay, it's done. I just remove the fairing here. I'll keep this here and I'll fix it again when I go home. So I'll go Khanapur from here, then to Anmod Ghat, same route from which I have come. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, I am here somewhere after Khanapur. I already crossed Khanapur, and this is inside road, forest road. So my petrol is finished, which I have put in the one bottle there after 80 kilometers. Exactly 80 kilometers it runs on the 1 liter, this bike. So I already put on refill in the bottle. So in Goa I can reach till Savarde in this petrol, I think. So let's go now. Okay guys, I'm at Mollem here. It's 6:30 now. It was raining here. I just stopped here to have a cup of tea. Then I'll start riding again. It's getting dark now. Okay, let's go now. Okay guys, I'm at Kurchorim here. It's our day. I'll eat something here. This place, roast omelette. It's almost 7 o'clock now. So guys, I'm at my village here. This is our church. And that's the bike there. It's already 8 o'clock now. Just now the rain started. Okay, I have ridden 420 kilometer I have ridden today. This bike. It took me 5 hours to reach here from that place, from that highway there. I used 5 liters of petrol for all the ride of this Gokak. Bike is totally good, but its speed is low. That's why it's taking too much time.